All right, gang, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and we're here for another edition of I Buy Too Many Farm Toys. So, unboxing from a farm toy auction that I went to, and I'm just going to be honest here. There aren't too many people in the farm toy world that can say this, but I actually got to blame my wife for a lot of these. So, and I know you're thinking like, yeah, all right, Jason, whatever. We know, yeah. But seriously, so we're sitting right beside each other, and stuff was going cheap, and all of a sudden I'm getting hit on the leg. Buy it. It's too cheap. Buy it. Okay, so that's how we ended up with most of this stuff here. So I can't take all the blame, but we certainly had a lot of fun doing it. Anyway, what are we going to do with this stuff, guys? So first and foremost, this guy's going to get a little customization. I'm not 100% sure what he's really supposed to be. I think it's a liquid manure spreader, I'm pretty sure. We're going to do something fun with him. We're going to Dogtown him up. We're going to get some Dogtown stickers on there. I might paint it. We're going to have fun with this guy. What's the point of buying boxes full of toys if you can't have a little fun with them? Anyway, moving on. Check this out. So a lot of these are in these boxes here. So that's why I'm just kind of showing you some of these out. I thought this was cool, actually. This little manure spreader here. I just like the decal on the side. I just thought that really stood out. What is that, like a badger, I think, probably? I'm just guessing. Something like that. Moving on, we got this is a Matchbox tractor. The old mixer mill, New Holland mixer mill here. Has a bit of a broken auger, but it's fixable. Gravity wagon. Check out this field cultivator. In excellent shape, by the way. Or, chisel, I guess. I was really shocked at actually how well that was. Usually a lot of those didn't survive that well. I know I went through one play and pretty hard. Same thing with the planter. Both markers on the planter here, the cycle flow. Thought that was impressive. Old anhydrous tanks. You can tell these came out of that John Deere historic set. We got a Farmall here. Pretty neat. A little hay wagon. Another little spreader. Some Massey power. Got a Heston in here. Kind of fun to customize a Heston, wouldn't it? I haven't really done one of those before. Actually, I've never done one of those before. It might be kind of a fun little custom. Got another wagon. Different wheels and tires on that one. Different frame, too, so that's kind of cool. Ford Myrtle, so that's cool. Skid steer, this is definitely not 64 scale, so... these old discs, these always drove me nuts as a kid, because I wanted the wings to go all the way down, and of course they wouldn't while you were carpet farming, so that always drove me nuts. Check out the Ollie here with the big tires. This is a show edition of some sort, so I don't have my glasses, so I can't read it. Old school Red Cross van and yeah, whatever that is, van. Get to this case back here. Cool case, Agri King. I like that tractor a lot. Pretty good shape. A little bent muffler, but other than that, looking pretty good. Here's what you can see these spreaders look like with the decals on them. And you got your classic wagon there and some more manure spreaders in the back. Oh, look at that. That does say Badger on it. Yeah, got one right. Anyway, check out the fertilizer buggy. That's pretty sweet. And another spreader. So, kind of a mishmash of tractors here, but that's what's kind of cool if you go to if you go to a local auction. Now, if you go to a big auction, one of the big auction houses, you're going to have to bring a pretty stout wallet because you're going to go up against a lot of different dealers, and you're pretty much only, going to be able to get one or two things, if that. But when you go to the local auctions, you just never know what you're going to find because, a lot of the dealers don't show up to those or don't know about those, and you can get some pretty cool toys cheap. Now, admittedly, a lot of these are going to get sold off, but, some make it to the collection because I don't have them or I think they're neat. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Happy tractor hunting.